Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to clone GitHub repository in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So first of all, open your browser and go to github.com. Then search for the repository that you want to clone. So in my case, I want to clone this repository. So this is the repository that I want to clone. So I'm clicking on the repository. Once you go to the repository, so this is the project and this is my repository, my demo app. Over here you can see the option code, so click on the option. Once you click on the option, you can see the pop-up like this, and here is the option clone, and click on the HTTPS option. Once you click on HTTPS option, you can see the copy URL option. Now click on the icon, and over here you can see the message, the URL is copied. Now open your Visual Studio Code. So once you open your Visual Studio Code, over here you can see the option clone Git repository. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, you need to paste the URL that we have copied. And there is another way. Just press the key Ctrl Shift P and type git colon clone. Select this. Now paste the URL that we have copied. Then press enter. Once you press enter, it will ask you for the location where you want to store this repository. So in my case, I am storing in this folder, repos folder. Now click on the select as a repository destination, and over here you can see the message cloning the repository. So repository is small, so it is already cloned. And here you can see the message, would you like to open the repository? So click on open if you want to open the repository on your local system. And over here you can see all the repository is cloned on your local computer, and you can also view all the files in your Visual Studio Code. So in this way you can clone GitHub repository in VS Code. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.